Here, and today I'm going to show you an app on your Mac that's purely designed for convenience and to save you time. I'm going to talk about what it is, show you how to use it, so let's go ahead and get started. So the app I'm talking about is Shortcuts. So this app has actually been available for a while on iPhone, but it is now available on Mac. So for those of you that maybe don't know what the Shortcut app is, it's all really in the name. It essentially provides a huge number of shortcuts that all complete a whole different set of actions. So for example, opening two apps side by side, taking note, opening your favorite Apple Music playlist, batch adding reminders, and many, many more. So this is the Shortcut app interface. It looks pretty simple, but that's essentially because I don't have any shortcuts added at the moment. So at the moment I'm in all shortcuts, which is essentially my shortcut menu. So it says here, create shortcuts for things you do every day or check out the gallery. So let's go ahead and try and add a shortcut to our library. So I'm going to click on gallery here on the left hand side. And now you can see I am greeted with a whole host of different shortcuts that I can add. And they're categorized into different categories. So get stuff done, get organized, essentials, and it goes on and on. So let's go ahead and actually try adding one of these shortcuts. So I'm going to go ahead and add this split screen to apps. So I'm going to hit, so if I can click it and then click add shortcut, or I can go back and simply click on the plus icon. So for this app, I'll get a pop-up that wants me to choose the apps that I want to open split screen. So I'm going to go in here, I'm going to have Safari as my first app, and then I'm going to choose Chrome as my second app. And then I'm going to go ahead and add that shortcut. So now that has been added into my all shortcuts menu over here on the left hand side, and all I need to do is click play, and then essentially what that will do is it will open up my two apps and it will make sure that they are split screened side by side. And there you have it. Okay, so I'm going to minimize those windows and go back to my shortcuts menu, and let's try adding another shortcut. So I'm going to go back to the gallery, and if we scroll through, again you can see there is a large number, so it's really taking the time what things might help you with your workflow. So I'm going to go into this quick shortcut section and I'm going to choose search on, and I'm going to hit the plus icon. So this time nothing's popped up, it's just added directly into my all shortcut menu. So I'm going to click search on and I'm going to hit the play button. So essentially what this is going to let me do is just search straight away from this box. So if I go news, hit done, I'll then say what do you want to search. So I can search Google, I can search social media like Twitter, I can search YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and just hit Google, I'm going to say done. It'll then just say allow, are you sure you want to let me search? And you go allow, and then my search pops up in my browser. So you can see that's a really useful thing. If you just want to quickly search for something, you can just click that shortcut and you're away and searching. So you can see that you can start to build quite a bank of shortcuts that could be really convenient and save you time. However, coming into this app, clicking on the app, pressing play, does kind of add in some steps that negate the shortcut that you're creating. So let's go ahead and make them even quicker to access. So over here on the left hand side, you'll see another option that says menu bar. If we click on it, you can see there's nothing here, but it does say add shortcuts here to run them from the menu bar on your Mac. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go back to all shortcuts, and I'm going to drag the two shortcuts I have, and I'm going to drag them into my menu bar option over on the left. So now, whenever I'm on my Mac, I can click the shortcut icon up here in my menu bar, click, and then I can just directly access my shortcuts from there. So there you have it. Really quick, really useful, really convenient, and worth spending a bit of time to set up. It can really improve your workflow. So I hope it's been useful. I hope you've learned something, and I'll see you in the next video.